What's going on, people? How you doing? Today I'm back at it again on the Chevelle, doing the removing the airbags and putting coil over. I did the front already. It was a breeze. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad, but the back one, whew, the airbags were on. I'll show you how. Not how I'm gonna do it, but let me show you the back of. Well, there we go. I got the rim out. I got the old airbag out, shocks. This is the new coil over. That's gonna go under. Cleared everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. Maybe just removing the hoses first. It's got some hoses, you know, for the airbag. I'm gonna remove all that stuff that I don't need, and I'm gonna start installing this good stuff right here. The front is all done, and I didn't do the right height yet. I lifted a little bit. Like you see over here, it's on, but I gotta drop it a little bit just to get that right height that I want. And here we go. This is the Chevelle, and I'll see you on see you when we're done. There we go. I installed the bracket that goes over here, and then I installed. This is a vicious gradient, man. Way over there. Very hard, but I'll get it going. Almost done one side, about 2 hours.